Hello guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to join CSGO surf servers in 2020. I'm doing this update video because I got a lot of comments asking me on previous video, which was 2 years ago, if it still works in 2020. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, when you're on CSGO on the main page, you're going to want to click on Play CSGO. Next, you're going to click on where there's written Official Matchmaking. Then click on Community Server Browser. Click on the Internet tab if it's not already there. Then type in the search bar, surf. Now normally, a lot of servers will just have loaded. Now all you have to do is click on one and press connect. Now joining the server might take a bit of time, but you just have to be patient. It will load eventually, and the next few times you connect it'll be a lot faster. So I hope you all found this video useful. If you did, don't hesitate to leave a like, comment, maybe even subscribe. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching and have a good day.